How to log in to crypto.com in your desktop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your crypto.com account in your desktop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is simply search for crypto on your web browser. You can use any web browser that you want. Just search for crypto.com web, and after you search for it, you'll find this website right here. Now the website is web.crypto.com/login. After you're there, you will see different options that you can use to log in. If you don't have an account, simply tap on the sign up now option to create an account. Now right here you will see if you already have the app and you're logged in that app, you can simply open up the crypto.com and you can just tap on the menu, head over to settings and use the QR code scanner to scan the code, and then you'll get logged in this web uh, tab right here. Now if you want to log in using your email, head over to the email section, type in your email, and after you type in your email, just tap on login. What this will do is this will send you a verification email. So make sure that you have your email ready. And after you're on your email, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to open that email up and you'll need to verify your account. After you do that, you'll just need to type in your password and you're good to go. That is how you can log in into your crypto.com. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.